Assalamu alaikum and good morning, everyone. This is day three of my tour, and I am in Dubai currently. But we have a flight at 10:30. The current time is 6. So after 1 hour, we are leaving for airport. Just to share an update, we are going to Pattaya today. So it's a 6-hour transit flight, and it will be taking a long time to reach Pattaya from Dubai. So for 6 hours, I have planned my things to do in plane. First of all, I'm gonna make more and more vlogs for you. And second thing, to update you about more and more vlogs, I need to edit them. So in 6 hours, I'll edit 2 or 3 vlogs in the plane, so I can share it with you guys updately about the trip I am having and the fun I am having. And I'll try to cover those things which can help you when you are on the trip to Dubai, Pattaya, or the essential of the travel, what you need, what you don't need. The basic thing you need is keto sandal, anything you want, because wearing shoes every time is very discomfort when you are traveling. And the great advice has been given me by one of my friend, and I'm still getting benefits from the advice. So I got ketos as well. Plus, it's too sunny in Dubai, so try to have water bottles, plenty of water bottles along with you when you are on a city tour, because water is very expensive over here. And plus, when you go to Palm Jumeirah and these malls, these water bottles get more and more expensive. So have those water bottles with you. So let's proceed towards our breakfast for today morning. Then we'll go to bus, and the bus will take us to the airport, from where we will do our check-ins and all the things to proceed to Pattaya. So till then, see you Nada. So hello everyone, here we have Abu Bakar who is ready for breakfast. Then we have Azhan who is also doing his breakfast. My plate is ready. Hamid Bhai is also ready. He is almost done with his breakfast. He is so fast. Well done, Hamid Bhai. So Shah Sahab are here. Sain Zulfi Sain, नाश्तो करो टीका. So Faraj is here. He is making his plate. So this is a quick update. The people who are not yet on at the floor gonna miss their breakfast. So we'll be leaving in 10 minutes. So they're gonna miss their breakfast. This is our late Latif table. ये लोग अभी आए हैं और
लोग में आने चाहिए।
इनकी वजह से हम लोग लेट होने वाले हैं, स्पेशली सुशील की वजह से. इसको मैं 5 बजे जाके उठा के आया हूँ, लेकिन ये बंदा बहुत लेट आया. At Dubai Terminal 3, look at the infrastructure. They are way too far from us. They got a very nice structure over the airport. It's like a quite luxury building over there. They got lift for departure area. So look at. Also there is a waterfall behind the lift. I'll show you while I'll be in the lift. Waterfall will be reflected from the lift. Look at the fountains. Dubai is heaven. So when coming out from the elevator, it is the biggest duty-free area over here.
Bentley check.
Look at the car. Awesome.
That's a Bentley.
We are at the duty-free area of Dubai airport. It's not less than a mall. Look at the infrastructure over here. The brands over here. Tom Ford is here. Like everything fashion, Chanel, Bulgari,
Gucci, bro, Gucci.
Gucci is there. Everything is here. Dubai airport got Adidas store as well. Victoria. So in Pattaya flight, the meal is quite good. We got chicken noodles, we had a water, we had a brownie, salad, and we also got here a bun with butter. So the meal is quite good. Let's eat it, and I'll give you a review after that. So we are at Pattaya Airport. The local time here is 8:20. While in Pakistan it's 6:20, in UAE is 5:20, so almost a 6-hour flight and a very hectic one. I have never been used to of the flights for 6 hours. I hardly have taken the flight that's been for 1 hour, 1 hour 55 minutes, but 6 hours was too long for me. Yo bro. This is Pattaya Airport. Looks like similar to the size of Sakhar or Faisalabad Airport, and infrastructure is quite similar to that. So I'm going to collect my baggage. Then we're gonna see how I can get Sims. This is the interior of our van. So nice.
One people is okay. Okay. Wow, nice. यहाँ पे तकरीबन स्कूटी चलती है तकरीबन.
This is our Thailand room. Here is this shower. We got one safe, mini fridge. Then we have two twin beds over here. LCD screen, mirror, air conditioner. We got sitting space. So it's a window opening outside. Then we got balcony over here. So rooms are smoke free. So if you want to smoke or anyone want to smoke, they have to come in balcony. So from the balcony, the view is of backyard of other houses, which is not so good. This is it.